I am plastic to you, Chelsea Manalo, and it really pains me that it has come to this. Chelsea, I'm really sorry about what I said about you. It was never really my intention to really hurt your feelings, nor your teams. Kasi you've worked so hard to be where you are right now. I am pictured as someone who's belittling all your efforts since day one. When I answered that question in a live chat session with my followers on my YouTube account the day after finals, I simply responded directly to the question I was asked. Who do you think should have represented us instead, or who do you want to see representing us next year? Ayun, nagsalita po ako ng dire-diretso na, nako, siguro, since Barbie looking po si Miss Denmark, siguro ang hinahanap nila si ganito, ganyan. I should have been more diplomatic and tactful with my choice of words. It is only now that I am realizing the impact of my words to you, to your team, and everyone else. There's no excuse in what I did. Pero what really pains me lang talaga is when people say na I am plastic to you, I have been two-faced to you all this time, when in fact talaga kung ano yung pinakita ko sa'yo since day one, ganun talaga yung enthusiasm ko. It's just that everything just changed after the preliminary performance. However, di pa rin talaga tama yung sinabi ko, and I would really like to apologize to you, to Sir Manny, most especially, who has shown nothing but kindness to me ever since I met him. To Attorney Ron, lalo na kay Mama J, kay Sir Voltaire, and everyone who comes from MUP, you guys have shown nothing but kindness to me. Hindi ko talaga alam how I will still make up for this. All I want to say is, I'm really sorry.